the Kyoto Protocol is primarily concerned with reducing what? Air pollution, greenhouse gas emissions, deforestation, or water pollution. Itong Kyoto Protocol na ito, this is another program, okay, that is governed by many countries, okay? Kasi meron siyang aim, meron siyang objective. And isa sa pinaka-objective niya is to what? To reduce greenhouse gas emissions. So ito po ay isang calling. Calling po ito, international agreement na dapat tayo mag-reduce ng emissions po para ma-lessen or ma-decrease natin yung global warming. Okay? Meron din counterpart itong Montreal Protocol. So, if si Kyoto Protocol talks more about greenhouse gas, si Montreal naman talks more about the ozone layer. Okay, yun lang ha. Montreal Protocol, ozone layer. Kyoto Protocol, greenhouse gas.